Hey everyone, welcome back to First View, where we make immigration life a little less stressful. How to keep your green card safe during the Trump era. If you're a green card holder, you know how precious that status is. It's your ticket to building a life in the US. But with the Trump administration's second term in full swing in 2025, policies are shifting fast. Don't worry though, we've got your back with practical, up-to-date advice to help you protect what you've earned. Today, we'll cover key risks, simple protection steps, and the latest 2025 updates. Stick around and let's keep you secure. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more tips like this. Why this matters in 2025. First off, why focus on this now? The Trump administration has ramped up enforcement with stricter checks on travel, social media, and even public benefits. But remember, green card holders like you have strong rights under the law, things like due process and free speech. The goal here is empowerment, knowing the landscape so you can navigate it confidently. Common risks for green card holders. Let's talk risks head on. No sugarcoating, but no panic either. Based on recent analyses, here are the big ones. Travel troubles. If you're outside the US for more than 180 days or a full year, you could be seen as abandoning your status. At ports of entry, Customs and Border Protection might pull you for secondary inspection, especially if you've got a past minor offense like old marijuana possession, even if state legal. They can't block your re-entry outright, but delays and questions can happen. Social media scrutiny. The Department of Homeland Security is reviewing public posts for anything deemed anti-American or sensitive. It's not new, but enforcement feels tighter in 2025. Criminal history flags. Even old minor convictions like shoplifting or domestic issues can trigger deportation reviews. The Laken-Riley Act adds mandatory detention for certain accusations, which could snag green card holders if there's confusion. Public benefits changes. You might lose access to things like Medicaid or SNAP if policies tighten under the reinstated public charge rule, making financial proof key for renewals or family sponsorships. The good news is, most green card holders aren't at risk if you stay compliant. Knowledge is your shield. Essential protection tips. All right, let's get to the actionable stuff. 5 straightforward tips to protect your green card. Always carry proof. Keep your green card, passport, and residency evidence like leases or bank statements for the last 2 years on you. Digital copies work too. Snap photos in your phone. This speeds up any check and avoids expedited removal mix-ups. Know your rights at borders and checkpoints. If questioned at an airport, you can stay silent, refuse to sign anything like Form I-407 to abandon your status, and request a lawyer or immigration judge. Don't answer about politics or religion, it's your right. Pro tip, check the ACLU's Airport Rights Guide before traveling. Build a safety plan. Pick a trusted contact, store docs securely, cloud or with family, and plan childcare if needed. If detained by ICE, ask about bond within 48 hours. Many qualify for a hearing. Mind your online presence. Use privacy settings on social media, avoid sharing sensitive views publicly, and consult a lawyer before posting about activism. For conditional green cards under 2 years, file to remove conditions 90 days early. Consider naturalization. If eligible, 5 years as a green card holder or 3 if married to a U.S. citizen, apply soon. The 2025 civics test is out. Study up via USCIS resources. Citizenship locks in your protections. 2025 new updates you need to know. Staying current is crucial, so here's what's fresh in 2025. Project Homecoming app. Launched this year, this CBP tool pressures self-deportation via mobile. If you get a notice, don't engage. Consult a lawyer immediately. NILC has guides in English and Spanish. Venezuelans in March. If this affects her path to a green card, explore alternatives like adjustment of status ASAP. Green card processing pauses. USCIS halted adjustments for some refugees and asylees in March, causing backlogs. If you're in line, premium processing might help where available. Travel ban clarity. As of June, it doesn't block green card reentry, but expect extra vetting from banned countries like Iran or Somalia. Positive win. In September, courts blocked rush deportations of unaccompanied kids. Advocates are fighting for all families. Conclusion and call to action. You've got this. Protecting your green card is about smart planning, not fear. Share this video with a friend who needs it. Drop a comment on your top tip and like if it helped. For personalized advice, reach out to a pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay strong, stay informed.
How to keep your green card safe during the Trump era. In 2025, green card holders face increased scrutiny, including stricter travel checks, social media monitoring, and enforcement under rules like the Public Charge and Leak and Release Act. Risks include travel delay for extended absences, secondary inspections, and complications from minor to records. Knowledge of your rights is a crucial. Carry proof of residency, understand border and checkpoint procedures, maintain a safety plan, manage online activity carefully, and consider naturalization to secure protection. Key 2025 updates include the CBP project, Homecoming app, TPS cancellation for certain countries, USCIS processing pauses for refugees and asylees, clarified travel ban rules, and court wins protecting families. Staying informed ensures confident navigation of this phase.